Well, hey there, John. Wait. Well, hey there, John here, back in the Eastman Discovery Center at the Eastman Discovery Lab at the Hands-On Discovery Center. We'll get there eventually. And we have a special treat for you guys today, because today is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Happy birthday, planet Earth. Woo. Actually, well, since it's the celebration of the Earth, I thought we could talk about how planets are formed. For that, we have our very high-tech and scientific, expensive, it's called a gravity table or a galaxy table. But you could actually make one of these at home. This is just a piece of stretchy lycra fabric. You could just recycle a big old t-shirt, actually. And instead of like an elaborate PVC frame, you could stretch the fabric of the t-shirt over a hula hoop and set it on a couple chairs. Does the same thing, but since we have a galaxy table, I thought, why not pull it out? For this, we also need some weights. Here we have some spherical objects. We have some ping pong balls and golf balls and marbles, even a solid metal ball here. Different sizes, different weights of balls will actually interact with the stretchy material, demonstrating how gravity works. Well, kind of how gravity works. This is kind of a thought picture designed by one Albert Einstein.
Hello.
He pictured gravity and space-time as a giant expansive fabric. He actually called it the fabric of space. And when you take an object, like say a star or a planet, and place it on this fabric of space, it's actually going to change it. It's going to warp space-time. It's going to pull down, making what he called a gravity well. But with this, it's more fun to see how objects interact with each other. So here I have this golf ball. It's kind of pressing down on our galaxy table. If I take a ping pong ball and set it over here next to this object in outer space, obviously it's going to roll. It's attracted to it, just like objects are attracted in outer space. Another cool thing that you can do with this is you can see how objects are formed. For example, with the smaller objects, marbles here, if you have a whole bunch of them just kind of cruising through outer space, this kind of represents particles, gas molecules like hydrogen and helium. They're just kind of cruising around. Again, they each have their own little gravity well, and the more we have, the more they're going to start grouping together. This is what we call a nebula. All these gas molecules just cruising through outer space, they're going to be attracted by their own gravity until they coalesce or group together. If you have enough gas molecules, make enough mass or gravity in one spot, you have actually created what is called a star. Now, instead of a whole bunch of molecules here, I can create a star using my heavier weight. Oh gosh, that's heavy. Because it's heavier, it's going to pull down a lot deeper, a bigger, denser gravity well there. And we can see how other objects will react to it. Because when a star is born inside of a gas cloud, there's still stuff kind of cruising around. Ooh, check it. Ooh, some of these marbles, they will actually come in pretty close to the star and actually get sped up. It's called a gravity launch or a gravity slingshot. Some of them, if you give them a hard enough push, will actually start to circle around a couple times. Here we have an orbit. This one's kind of an elliptical one, more like a comet than a planet, say. If we get it going really fast, we can get more of a spherical orbit, like, say, a planet would be. So with this galaxy table, you can recreate a whole bunch of phenomenon that happen in outer space. But because this is Earth Day, let's get rid of this guy. I figured, why not celebrate Earth? And because it's the 50th Earth Day, I thought, why not give Earth 50 moons? Ready, set, go! But hey guys, I hope you guys try making your own galaxy table at home. It's super simple and it hours of playtime and learning time as well. But right now I think I'm gonna go plant a tree in honor of Earth Day. But happy Earth Day guys, we'll see you later. Bye!